Wrestling fans, the Armed Dragon sensation, second generation superstar LT Falk here, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. And if you want some real fucking advice, keep it realistic. There was two ladies at the food court, and one of them looked up at me and said, "Excuse me, sir, have you ever been on Realistic Fishing? You're a professional wrestler, right?" And I was like, "Yes, ma'am, I've been on that YouTube channel, but today was the first." Somebody looked at me and, asked if I've been on the Realistic Fishing. That's so cool, man. It really made my day. But anyway, you got some fans watching the channel, and they recognized me from your show. So thank you, man. Thank you for that. Hope you and your girl and everybody's doing well, Alex. And hopefully down the road, I'll see you at a show, buddy. Take care, man.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. We're over at the creek once again. We're gonna fish with my desperation rig, Gulp Alive minnows under a float. If I suspect they'll go for something else, of course we'll try that. But for now, let's get down here, see how low the water is, and see if we can catch a fish. Ah, yes, the water is low. Usually it's up to this top rock right here. It's down, I don't know, 4, 5 feet. So far, no fish. Maybe a bite. Maybe a tiny bluegill or something. There's a little tiny bite. They couldn't even take it under. I might be dealing with 3, 4, 5-inch bluegill down here. And not in high numbers either. Maybe, again, tiny bite. Call those tail biters. Fish on. First fish of the day right here. 4, maybe 5-inch bluegill. Jumped off the hook, bounced off the rocks and went into the water. Quick release on fish number 1, 4.5-inch bluegill.
The most controversial team to hit USWO Wrestling, it's Brian Turner of Booty Call, and you are watching Realistic Fishing. Bounce on over to Brian Turner's VHS Rehab for more of Booty Call.
All right, let's try out toward the middle. Since the water is so low, they might be out in the middle. Maybe on this side. Oh, that was a bite. Dang it, that fish stole the bottom half of my Gulp Minnow. I'll try it like this. I don't think it's going to work nearly as good. But we're going to try it. Half of a Gulp Minnow. Can I get a bite? Fish. I got him on half of a Gulp Minnow. And that's a bigger fish. Let's stand over the water and take a quick look. Yeah, we got about a 6.5-inch bluegill here. Bigger than that first fish, that's for sure. Half of a Gulp Minnow. Let's try again. Got him. Another nice bluegill. This one's even better. Check him out. Cold to the touch. This water is getting cold, but they're still out here biting. That's another 6.5, 7-inch bluegill here on half a Gulp Minnow. So is half of a Gulp Minnow the new big thing? I don't know. They might just go for it because it's small and smells gulpy, but we're gonna keep fishing it. I'm happy catching fish on anything, including half a Gulp Minnow. Oh, had a bite and missed them. Got that one though. Just a little one. Yep, just a small one here. Go tell your mom you were on Realistic Fishing.
Hi, I'm Magnus from Las Cruces, New Mexico, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Oh, there we go. That has a good fight on it. That's a good one. Good color too. This is one of the better bluegills. Check it out. Nice color, green, cream, gold, maybe purple. Don't do it. Don't do it. One more quick look. That fish knocked my Gulp Minnow off the hook, and I just accidentally tossed it in the water. Let's get a new one. All right, I want you to check these out real quick. Look at these two different Gulp Minnows here. This one's totally gray. This one is mostly white. We're going with this one. This one looks better for sure. This one we're going to put back for a rainy day. Half a Gulp Minnow. Will they go for it? Will I catch more? That's more important. Let's try this side again. Got him. Fish on. Oh, that's a good one. Once again on the half of a Gulp Minnow. One of the better fish today. Coming in, I don't know, almost 8 inches. I would say 7.5. That's a nice fish. Jumped out of my hands.
This is Eli, Melanie, and Theo from Chicago. Don't forget to.
Keep it realistic.
And have a great day.
One more. There it is, last fish. Hooked in the mouth, but it went under his fin. That was crazy. Last fish of the day right here. 5-inch bluegill. Maybe 6. You can tell your friends I said you were 6 inches. And tell them you were on the show. That's it. We're out of here. So, are you having a hard time catching fish? Even bluegill? Maybe try tearing a gulp minnow in half. The tiny profile plus a small hook could catch you more fish. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.